This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 5, water heater, external shower, smoke detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, leveling jacks, refrigerator, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is 5,756 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.